Hey, I'm Chris.
I'm Lindsay, and today we're going to do the walk around turn in the Viennese Waltz. Let's get started.
Okay, lead us footwork. I'm going forward left foot first. I'm going back on the right foot as I pick up my hand. I'm doing a side step to the left, a side step to the right. I'm walking forward, rotating towards her, forward curving, side right, side left, side right. It is 8 counts in total, but my footwork again is forward left, back right, side left, side right, forward left, rotating to about a quarter of a turn to the left, side right, side left, side right. I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, rotating 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so now we're going to do the follower's footwork for the walk around turn in the Waltz. So here we go. Back on our right, forward on our left, then we go under the arm, forward right, forward left, forward right, hesitate side and side and side. Again with the footwork, I go back, forward, 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 side, side, and side. I'm going to go 1 hold, 2 hold, 3 hold, 4 hold, 5 hold, 6 hold, 7 hold, 8 hold.
With counts, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Counts, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, the key points for the walk around turn. So, we start as normal going forward. So when I go backwards, I'm going to lift my hand to let her know it's her time to turn. So I go backwards and the hand comes up. And then she can start walking around, and I take my side step as she starts to walk. I go side as she walks again. We both go forward at the same time here, rotating towards each other. And then we'll take our 3 side steps, side, 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 and we're back to the beginning again. And what happens on what count? 1, the hand comes up on 2, we go side 3, 4, we both go forward 5, then we go 6, 7, 8. So the only other important thing is that when I come backwards, that she comes forward right at me on the first step, and then now she's allowed to start walking around. We both go forward facing this direction, we'll meet each other, and then we'll go to the side and we can sway. Go back to the beginning.
Ladies, we can go over some arms. So we're in frame with him on 1, on 2, he starts to let go, we can grab our skirt. 3, walk around as we pass him on 4, we can extend out. 5, we turn back, release, and then back to frame. And if you don't have a skirt big enough to grab, you can always just extend the arm out so it's not flopping around by your side.
Thanks for watching the walk around turn at Viennese Waltz. I'm Chris.
And I'm Lindsay. Be sure to check out the rest of our wedding series videos that we have up and subscribe for brand new content, including new stuff to come. We got club, social, competitive, a whole bunch of cool stuff in store, some technique stuff. So yeah, be sure to stay tuned and we'll see you very soon.